Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how to fix YouTube not install on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste our time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Please connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now we are applying this solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until when you see Apple logo appears on screen, slide to power off. Enter your iPhone passcode, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check the iOS update. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen this iPhone has iOS 18.1 update. If you have any pending update, please download and install. Make sure you are using iOS 15, 16, 17 or 18 and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network settings. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset network setting and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is turn on airplane mode. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, turn on airplane mode, toggle on. Wait 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off back and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 6. The solution number 6 is reset all settings. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 10 to 15 seconds and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix YouTube not downloading or not install on your iPhone in iOS 18 update fix. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.